Okay, 361 Knob Hill Private Drive. This is the house. Now, out the end of this road, you turn left, and that takes you back down to, I think it's 394. Like Food City in Blumpville, just right down the bottom of the hill. That road right there is Big Hollow. I don't know if you remember that Big Hollow par 3 golf course in Blumpville, but that's where it is. It's just right off the interstate. You might be 5 minutes from 81 right here. But so what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing a relatively new roof. I'm seeing a well-kept lawn. I'm seeing landscaping. Um, I'm seeing a building over there in the back of that guy's yard, so no restrictions. And this land, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it goes all the way over there to that house. So you get all this land over here. We'll get in here and take a look at the house. We'll see what it looks like. It smells good. Okay. I am seeing, I got some skylights up there. We got luxury vinyl plank floor. Looks like it's been painted recently, maybe. So you get a pretty big living room here. I'm just going to pan around. Got some bedrooms back down the hall. We'll go this way. You got some gold fixtures, baby. Yeah, you got it all. This looks like a large den. So just kind of going to pan around this way. This is on the front of the house. That looks like a gas log fireplace. This could be the garage. Oh, I'm not. Oh, yep, here it is. Let's see here. New lights. Well, I don't know if you can see the garage. 2-car garage, oversized. It's got plenty of room at the back for a workbench. And you got 2 garage doors in the front and a man door in the back. Looks like you got a sink back here too. So that's nice. And I think there's somebody in that car. I don't know. We'll get over here and look at the rest of the house. That was weird. Did you hear that radio? Laundry room off the kitchen. That's a vinyl floor there. Oh, electrical box. Let's look at it first. Yeah, it is packed. So if you did any extra electrical, you're gonna have to add a box. And honestly, it would be good to add a separate box for building if you had that issue. So eating kitchen. Eating kitchen. Got laminate countertops. Pretty good sized kitchen. Not terribly small. Ample cabinet space. You get a little breakfast bar here. This goes right back into the living room where we saw in the beginning. I got another gas log fireplace there. All right, while I'm here, I want to look out the back. Oh, wow. Ooh, oh, look at that groundhog. See it over there? Missed it. Yeah. Okay, so we got a little gazebo out here. That's nice. See that big building over there? Mm-hmm. Big old backyard. Beautiful mountains back here. I like the privacy. Got a little pool overlooking the rest of your land. That's looking like a nice green pond scum looking color. Got a carrier unit out here. Got a hot tub. I don't know if that stays or not, but you got a nice, I think everything's well kept. It's very well kept. Now, you can see here the other perimeter here. It goes all the way back down there, and it kind of, you can see this fence goes right down through there and back and around. So you got a lot of land there. Kind of looks like somebody's had a dirt bike track there. Not real sure. So nice backyard living space. All right. Let's go look at the bedrooms. Look at the blue carpet. Okay, bedroom, a spare bedroom. Yeah. Regular size closet. You probably want to repaint this room, refloor it. But that's a good sized bedroom. I mean, we're talking maybe 11 by 12 bedroom. All right. What in the hell is that? I'm not stepping on that. No way. I'm not even sure what that is. It's kind of neat though. Bedroom. Call it Victory Lane. Bedroom. Okay, this is it's full bath. You got vinyl floor, culture marble top, tub shower combo. That could use a vicious cleaning. Don't look like they've used it because they don't have a curtain on it. All right, I'm thinking this is probably the master bedroom. Pretty big, pretty good size. Horrible colors. Green carpet, terracotta wainscoting, and pink walls. Vinyl floor. Whew. Jetted tub. Oh man, it could be really nice. That shower stall is not big enough for you, Chad. Yeah. I mean, you'd have to, that's just a rinse only for you, bud. Let's see what else we got. Walk-in closet. Kind of a plain Jane house, I would say. Could be really nice, but you'd have to do some upgrading, I would think. Is there a downstairs? I think there is a downstairs. I just gotta find the way down. Huh. Did I miss the, oh, here it is. Oh, oh, it's pantry. That's pantry. Well, where'd I miss the downstairs? No? Well, maybe you can't get downstairs. Let's go around the house a look. this had a basement. I need to work on that garage door a little bit. Look at it. See how it's kind of crooked. Well, got a little building here, small one. Chad, I don't think this has a basement, buddy. I'm sorry, I thought it did. Man, it is a lot of land, though. Huh. Well, poo. I thought it had a basement. Well, it officially does not. Sorry, man. I thought it did. It's just got that one little, that's probably about a 10 by 30 building out there. That's not nearly enough room for you. All right, well, I didn't, I thought we were gonna look at one with the basement. Sorry. But anyway, I'll send you this video.